on our short trip to Malico, Pangasinan. Let's go! We started our trip past noon and we have 3 to 4 hours drive depending on the weather. And here marks the beginning of the crazy zigzag roads.
Sabi ko kay Manak Nepa, ganda ng daan na.
We got so excited and made a quick stop by the road to take some pictures. We went to Jack's 360 view deck before it got dark.
Kapag walang bagyo, hindi naman ganito ako yung hangin. May bagyo lang kaya ganito.
But the wind was insane, so we decided to keep going to find our place for the night.
Maulan po dito kasi.
Lakas na hangin, no? Tara, nakakatawa sa itas. Tara, tara.
We arrived at Malico Pinewood Cabin, but the place was full. We didn't make a reservation because we didn't expect the place to be full on weekdays. The owner was very kind and recommended another place for us. A small A-frame house in a strawberry farm. We had someone to guide us, and it looked a little sketchy at first since it was dark and we kept going, but it turned out perfect for the 5 of us.
Sabi ko yan, dito.
Ay, asan yung
Sige, hanapin mo kasi gano'n, no? Kasing buglo.
pinahirapan kayo dalawa?
Dito ka.
Di makakapin. Ikaw, Jerry, naman. Suportahan sila nila.
The next morning.
The next morning, it was raining and super windy. Locals said it's like this every day. Our first destination for the day is a Japanese shrine, but we only made a quick visit because the wind was so strong. Next is Tindaan Historical Park. We were the only ones at this place because no one wants to go out in this crazy weather except for us.
Ano, malamig ba? Kaway ka, kaway!
We found a small waterfall by the road, so we made a quick stop and take some pictures. We made another stop at this beautiful spot just to admire the mountains of Malico. Our final stop, Jack's 360 view deck, was definitely worth saving for last. The view, the mountains, everything was breathtaking.
Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Grabe, ang ganda! Di! Ang ganda! Bukidnon! Parang Bukidnon! Look at that! Wow! Look at
Ang ganda dito! Wow! Ang ganda!
Bukidnon! Ay, dito na yun! Picture na ako dito.
Ganda! Grabe no! This trip has been full of surprises, and honestly, there's still so much to explore and experience here in Malico. Thanks for joining us on this adventure, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!